Have you ever been working on a remote session and suddenly your SSH connection dropped and everything you were working on just lost? That's really frustrating, and that happened with me also. And that's when I researched about a specific tool that really helps you in this scenario, which is Tmux. This helps you create multiple terminal window inside a single window, and once you learn it, you never go back. Tmux stands for Terminal Multiplex. It basically lets you run multiple terminal sessions inside a single window, and you can split windows, switch between them, detach, reconnect, and even keep your terminal sessions alive when you are offline. So let's jump right in and see how Tmux works. The first thing you have to do is just check if you have Tmux installed on your system. For that, you can either use tmux/version to check if it's working, and if it's not installed, you can simply use sudo apt install tmux. That will help you install the Tmux on your Linux device. Now to start using it, you simply have to run this command tmux, and once you press it, you are inside your Tmux session. So you can see down this below that I have this is the second session that I have running on this, and if I press ls, you will see that it's just working like a normal terminal session. But what's amazing about this is I can simply use some of the Tmux commands to make this terminal look amazing. I can split screen vertically, I can split screen horizontally. So let's see how we can do it. So to split your screen vertically, you need to press Ctrl+B and then %. So once you do it, you will see you have converted your terminal session into a split screen. Now if you want to split this horizontally, you need to press Ctrl+B and then you need to press Shift+:. That will help you split this horizontally. Now to toggle between these sessions, what you can do is you can press Ctrl+B and then you can use up arrow. For example, I want to move to the terminal side which is up to the current one, then I can press up arrow, then Ctrl+B and the left or right arrow where your terminal is. For example, you want to detach from this one and see what are the current terminal sessions which are running. So what you can do is Ctrl+B and D. So D is for detach, so that will move you to the normal SSH connection that you have. And now to check what are the terminal sessions that you have running, you can simply press Tmux LX. So to create a new session with the specific name, you can press Tmux new -s for session and you can say session 1, or for example I will say demo. Now to create new window inside this, for example, I have this ping command running here and I have split myself horizontally. Ctrl+B and then I will use this column and I will use 4.4.2.2. okay, done. And now I have this one, and now we have few of the commands running here. Now if you want to create a multiple windows inside a single terminal session, this Tmux session, what I can do is I can press Ctrl+B and then C. This will create a new window inside the same session. And if I want to toggle between windows, I can either press Ctrl+B and then W, and then I can move between different windows. As you can see, I can move between different windows. If I want to move between different sessions, for that I can use Ctrl+B and then S, and then you can see I have 3 sessions already running. Okay, so I can go to my first one and you will see I have different windows here. So you can check the windows from here. The first windows, this is the second one, and this is the third window. Okay, to move between windows we can press Ctrl+B and then N, and then I will be able to move between windows, right? As you can see, it's showing different windows for me. Now to resize your specific terminal, this will only resize the terminal, it will not increase its font size or zoom in. it will only resize it. So what you can do is Control plus B and then press Control again, and then you can move it based on the specific requirement, right? Now if you want to create, like, kill a specific terminal, for example, I only want to remove this terminal here, so I can press Control plus B then X. So it gives me option to kill a pan 1, and if I press the Y, it will kill it. Okay, now you can see that pan is gone. So these three options here are called pans, and if I move between a different window inside it, so that will be a window. For example, Control plus B and then N, and this is a different window. Now to move, and there is a like another higher layer of this, which is session. So if I press Control plus B and then S, then you can see I have 3 sessions running which are numbered. Now if I want to like delete a certain session, for example, I can detach from here. So now I'm inside my SSH session. Now I will press Tmux ls. Okay, so to kill a specific session inside Tmux, I can press first I can check what are the sessions running. After that I can press Tmux kill session -t, and then for example I want to kill this demo one, then I can press demo, right? Now this ran, and if I press, like, if I check my running sessions for Tmux again, you will see that session is gone. Now to log in inside a specific session, I can use command Tmux attach -t and then the name of the session. So these are all the commands that you can start using inside your Tmux sessions. If you find this video helpful, you can leave a like and drop a comment if there are any certain commands that you want me to cover.